If you're over 50 and struggling with tired legs, slow circulation, or that heavy feeling when you walk, then listen closely. Because one simple cup of this natural drink can boost leg blood flow within just 24 hours, helping you walk easier, feel lighter, and stay active as you age. Stay with me till the end, because I'll show you exactly how to make it at home. As we get older, our arteries naturally become stiffer. Blood doesn't move as quickly to the legs, and that leads to cold feet, numbness or tingling, leg cramps at night, slow walking speed, fatigue. This is one of the biggest reasons seniors lose mobility, but the good news is, you can improve it naturally. So what is this drink? Beetroot juice, the #1 circulation booster for seniors. That's right, just 1 cup of fresh beetroot juice can improve blood flow in your legs within 24 hours. Why? Because beets are loaded with natural nitrates. These nitrates turn into nitric oxide inside your body, the same molecule that relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation, and helps oxygen reach your muscles faster. Studies show that seniors who drink beet juice experience checkmark better leg circulation, checkmark faster walking speed, checkmark improved stamina, checkmark lower blood pressure, checkmark less leg fatigue. This means easier walks, fewer cramps, and stronger, healthier legs. Here's how to make your circulation boosting drink at home. To make this simple circulation boosting drink at home, start by peeling and chopping 1 medium beetroot. Add it to a blender, squeeze in half a lemon, and include a small apple if you prefer a sweeter taste. Pour in 1 cup of water and blend everything until smooth. Once it's ready, drink it immediately for the best results. That's it, simple, powerful, and completely natural. For seniors, the best time to drink beet juice is morning on an empty stomach. This helps your body absorb nitrates faster, giving your legs the circulation boost they need throughout the day. Want even better blood flow? Add a 10-minute walk after drinking it. The combination of beet juice plus light movement increases nitric oxide levels even more. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who wants stronger legs and better mobility. And comment below, I want better circulation, so I know you made it to the end. Stay healthy, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.